your tummy, tummy, tummy. No, don't do that. You have your mouth full of this.
This is Cam's first solid meal. Although it's not really solid
yet.
Yeah, but
it counts. It still counts. You quite don't know how to make that, get that down your throat, huh? Swallow.
More, mother. More.
His mouth is covered and anything made it down his stomach yet.
Good job, kiddo.
I know you cannot have the spoon. You can have it when it's clean, but not now. All right, I'm gonna put the rest in your milk. How about that?
Well done. Mom's gonna thin the rest out.
Good job. Good job. Yes, good job. Clean that chin.
Good job, Mama.
Oh well, we try, right? Try. You want more? Are you sure? I don't know, buddy.
All right. That's it. Bon appetit.